Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 is making strange noises, it can be quite alarming. This issue often arises due to debris caught in the motor or a failing component. If left unchecked, these noises can lead to more significant damage, potentially resulting in a complete breakdown of your device. To begin the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your Dyson HS01 is unplugged before you start. Begin by carefully opening the device. Locate the screws on the back and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Be gentle, applying too much force can strip the screws. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage the clips. Inside, you will need to locate the motor assembly. Check for any visible debris or blockages. If you find any, use your tweezers to remove them. If the noise persists, the motor may need replacing. To extract the motor, disconnect any cables attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly later. Carefully remove the screws holding the motor in place. Again, take care not to apply excessive force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the motor is out, replace it with the new one, ensuring all connections are secure. Reattach the screws and reconnect any cables, following your notes from earlier. Before closing the casing, it's wise to clean any dust or debris from inside the device using isopropyl alcohol on a cloth. Once everything is clean and reassembled, carefully close the casing, ensuring all clips are secured and screws are tightened. Finally, plug in your device and test it to ensure the noise has been eliminated. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your Dyson HS01 and ensure you empty the dust container after each use. Additionally, keep an ear out for any unusual sounds, as early detection can save you from more extensive repairs down the line. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.